Hello, good afternoon. Ayan. So, we will have to wait for the others muna. Ayan. Pa-share po ng ano natin yung ng page ng life coaching na to. Ayan. Good afternoon. And ayan. Hello, good afternoon. Ayan. Hello. Good afternoon sa lahat. Wait lang ha. Wait po muna natin yung iba. Ayan. Share ko lang din yung live ko ha. Hello, good afternoon. Ayan. Comment daw kung saan kayo located ngayon. Yung location nila. Good afternoon. Hello. Ayan. Yes, good afternoon everyone. Ikaw, mas bati. Ma'am Angie Rijoso. Ayan, good afternoon. Simply Sazi. Good afternoon. Ay, si Ma'am Simply Sazi, thank you so much po. Thank you so much. Ayan. Wait po muna natin yung iba ha. Wait po muna natin yung iba. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa nakasubaybay. Oh, we have 9 viewers na. Ayan. Klaro ba yung audio ko? Ayan. Hello. Ayan. Klaro ba yun? Mas klaro ba? Okay. Wait po muna natin yung iba ha. Wait po muna natin yung iba. Wait po muna natin yung iba. Ayan. Good. Watching from Cebu. Ayan. Good afternoon. Ten pa lang tayo, 10. Wait lang. Share natin sa iba. Share ko yung live muna ha. For a while. Wait natin yung iba para dire-diretso tayo. Magandang hapon sa lahat. For today, i-ano ko muna yung mathematics muna. Math tayo ngayon. Siguro 110 questions yung ginawa ko. 110 questions to. Algebra, what is basic pa, tapos ano pa. Problem solving tayo. Marami dito. Ayan. Wait po muna natin yung iba. Ayan. Kaya ako share ng live natin. Sa mga let review groups. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa nag-share. Ayan. Actually, mayroon akong surprise mamaya. May surprise ako mamaya. Sa lahat ng mag-review ngayon. May sorpresa ako mamaya and yeah, maganda-gandang sorpresa to. Makaka-help to sa review nyo. Ayan. Ayan. Start tayo in a bit. Okay ba yung ano? Hindi ba naglalag sa inyo? Good afternoon sa lahat. OP. South Cotabato. OP is it in South Cotabato? OP Maguindanao or South Cotabato? Ayan. Ma'am Melanie Danao, first time here. Naway maunawaan ko na ang Gen at Math na are. Yes, ma'am. Ayan. Mamaya may ano ako ha, may ipapagawa ako sa inyo and that is really very helpful I think sa pagre-review ninyo. May gagawin tayo. Sa lahat lang ng nag-watch ngayon. Sa lahat ng magwa-watch ng live session na to. Marami-rami tayong questions actually. Ayan, like this one. Kung makikita nyo to, ayan. So, ano yung gagawin natin dito? Ayan. So, makikita nyo yan. Ayan, meron din tayong mga tawag na ito, problem solving. Ayan, mga problem solving yan. Hanggang 110 questions to lahat. 110 questions. Masyadong malakas yata. Hello. Sorry. Masyadong malakas. Hello. Ayan. Hello. Ayan. Ayan, marami akong mga questions dito. Actually, yung questions na to pang final coaching. Sana. Kasi ginamit ko na. Ngayon. Oh. Yeah. 110 questions. Ayan. 110 questions itong gagawin natin today. Marami-rami ito. Siguro matagal lang tayo nito kasi mathematics siya eh. Matatagalan tayo dito. Ayan. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa 9,000 viewers. Madugo ang Ma'am Erlene Lauron. Ayan. Hindi naman po. Basta maintindihan lang yung basic. Yung strategies at saka yung basic. Pag naintindihan nyo kasi yun, wala talagang problema sa mathematics. Ayan. One of the keys paano maintindihan kaagad yung mathematics is for you to have an open mind para dun sa mathematics. Kasi pag umpisa pa lang sabihin nyo na, ay, math yan, hindi ko alam yan, wala akong alam dyan, ang hirap niyan. Pag gano'n na yung attitude nyo towards mathematics, sa umpisa pa lang, mahihirapan talaga kayo. Whereas kung halimbawa, this is math. Medyo mahirap siya, pero I'll try my best na intindihin siya. Parang bigyan nyo si math a chance to love you. Parang ganon. If you hate math, give math a chance to love you. And matutunan nyo rin silang, si mathematics na mahalin. Tama ba? Ayan. Anyway, watching from Oriental Mindoro. Tinsel sa talagang sa aking reviewer math lang ang walang sagot. Okay. So, ayan. So, start tayo. Mag-start tayo. Mamaya. Okay. So, announcement ko. I-announce ko na bago tayo mag-start. Screenshot nyo to ngayon. No. Hindi. Mamaya, magsasabi ako na screenshot nyo to ngayon, tapos yun yung isi-send nyo doon sa page ko, sa FB page, i-message nyo ko, i-send nyo yung screenshot para bibigyan ko kayo ng reviewers and what's this? Screenshot nyo tapos with your email address para maibigay ko sa inyo yung reviewers or yung grammar book. Okay? So, ayun. May sasabihin lang ako magsasabi lang ako pa screenshot ng part na to, tapos yun yung screenshot na yun yung isi-send nyo sa akin. Okay? Yun yung isi-send nyo sa akin doon sa FB page ko. Tapos, with your email address, and then, bibigyan ko kayo ng free na reviewers. Ganun lang. O, diba? Ayan, start na tayo. Ayan, sa pag sinabi kong screenshot itong part na to, okay, yun yung screenshot na isi-send nyo sa akin dun sa FB page ko mamaya after ng live, and then magsisend ako ng reviewer sa inyo, okay? Yan. Ayan. So, start tayo. Wait lang. I think I have to screen capture this. For a while lang Ayun, so start na siguro tayo. We have 17 million viewers na. 17 million viewers. 17 million viewers. Okay, for a while lang set up lang ako. Set up lang ako for a while. Na hindi ko na-open yung sketchpad. Yan. Dito tayo sa sketchpad na to magsosolve para makita nyo lahat. Ayan. So, start na tayo. So, I share this live to my group in Messenger who's taking the let review, but unfortunately, hindi ko ma-view ang live mo. Bakit kaya? Sorry. Di ko rin alam. Paano nyo po share? Paano nyo po share? Clinic nyo po ba yung share? Tapos may FB Messenger doon na lalabas I think. May FB Messenger doon na lalabas. Tapos, after nun, may na siya. Pwede na siyang i-send doon sa FB Messenger. Ganun po yung niya. But wait, I'll try to get the link of this live. Tapos, yun po yung i-copy-paste nyo. Ayan. Copy-paste nyo. Wait lang Check ko dito. Ayan, dito. Ko yung link. Ayan po yung link. Ma'am Karil. Ayan po yung link. Sinend ko. Copy-paste nyo po yan. Tapos medyo malabo yung po. Wait lang Wait lang. For a while. Ayan. Okay na po ba? Ayan, okay. Ayan. Ayan, okay na po ba? Try daw. Sige nga, pa-comment daw kung okay na. Pa-comment daw po kung okay na. Iyan natin, medyo malalakihan ko yung ayan. Lalakihan ko lang kasi to ganito kasi yung gagawin natin. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo ha. First question, ayan. Like, what is the expanded form of x minus 2 and then times x plus 5? Punta kasi ako dito sa sketchpad natin. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, dito ko na ipipaste yung question. Wait. Ayan, dito ko kasi ipipaste yung question, tapos papalakihan natin para mas makita ninyo. And then dito na rin po ako magsusolve para makita nyo kung paano siya sinolve. Ayan. Mas makita nyo ba? Makita nyo ba? Pa-comment daw. Ayan. I think mas klaro to. Okay na po ba? Okay. Okay, good. Ayan. So, sa ano yata to? Sa screen capture ng tawag nito, yung software na ginagamit ko. Kaya ganyan siya kalabo. Pero, yeah, I think this one is better now. Okay, so start tayo. What is the expanded form of this one? If you can see this one means exponent ha. This one is exponent like itong ganito. X squared minus 3x. Kasi dun sa ang pagkaano natin dun sa tawag nito, dun sa questions ko, naka x squared siya. Ayan. So start tayo. Now, expanded form, this is just very easy because ganito, multiply nyo lang siya dyan. FOIL method, if you could still remember. And this one, okay, so we have x times x, we say x squared, okay? And then, x times 5, positive 5, so that means that's plus 5x, right? Plus 5x, okay? And then negative 2 times x, that is minus 2x, right? And then negative 2 times positive 5, that is negative 10. Mag-start ako sa basic kasi alam naman natin na yung iba hindi talaga education grad, I mean like hindi nila na tawag nito, na daanan yung ganitong mga lessons kasi mga unit earners nga sila. Ibang course yung nila. Ayan. So, basic muna ako sa basic questions muna tayo. Ayan. So, ayun na nga, minus 10. And then next to that, kasi like terms sila kasi ito is x and this one is x also. But this one is positive 5 and this one is negative 2. So, minus tayo. So, kopyahin natin sa x squared. And then, since 5 minus 2, that's plus 3 kasi mas malaki. Laging pag nag-add kayo ng or subtract ng unlike signs na integers, laging kopyahin yung sign ng pinakamalaking number like positive 5 and negative 2. That's positive kasi si positive 5 ang mas malaki. Si 5 ang mas malaki and sign niya is positive, so positive. And then minus nyo lang, that's 3. Okay, write nyo x and then minus 10. That's it. So our answer here is letter C, right? Letter C. Kung hindi natin makuha yung dito kasi naka-automatic kasi yun eh. Nag-feedback ba? Ayan. So, Yun na yung sagot. So, punta tayo sa next question natin. Klaro ba? Klaro? Klaro ba yun? Ayan. Next question tayo. So, dito tayo sa LCM. What is the LCM? Okay, so what is the LCM of 12, 20, 25, and 12, 20, 25. Ayan. So, LCM or least common multiple, ito yung tawag nito? Ito yung pinaka maliit na number in which all of these numbers on the lists can divide. Okay? So that's least common multiple. The smallest number na lahat sila pwedeng makapag-divide. Okay? So, LCM, discuss ko na lang din yung GCF and then LCM para together para mas maintindihan ninyo. Okay? So, unang-una, ito yung gagawin natin. Unang-una, 12, 20, isulat natin yan. Okay? And then 25. Ayan, 25. And then, ladder tayo. Ladder method. Now, ano yung common? May common ba si May common ba si 12, 20, 25? Anong common factor nila? May common factor ba sila? Ayan. Wala silang common kasi si 12 at saka 20 may common sila. At saka si 20 at 25 may common din. 12, 20, ang common sa kanila is 4. So, ganon si LCM. Eto dito, in this case, wala tayong GCF. Discuss ko na lang separately yung GCF para makita ninyo. Ayan. So, 12, 20, kunin muna natin yung 12 at saka 20. Yung common muna nila. Disregard, don't mind 25 first. Okay? Mamaya na si 25. So, yung dalawa muna na may common, si 12 at saka si 20. Okay? So, ano yung common sa kanila? Common divisor or common factor? 4, di ba? Okay. So, 12 divided by 4, that is 3. Di ba? And then 20 divided by 4, that is 5. Okay? Tapos, ibaba nyo lang si 25. Ibaba nyo lang. 25. Now, may common pa ba dito? Yes, may common pa si 5 at saka dito naman si 5 at saka 25 may common factor which is 5. So, lagay natin yung common factor na yan na 5. And then, 3 divided by 5, hindi siya. So, lagay natin yan sa baba. Bring it down. And then, 5 divided by 5, that is 1, di ba? And then, 25 divided by 5, that is 5. Okay. So, yung pagkuha ng LCM natin, multiply nyo lang to lahat. Ito. Multiply nyo lang yan lahat. That is already the LCM. Okay? So, that's 4 times 5, that's 20. 20 times 3, that is 60. And then 60 times 1, of course, 60. And then 60 times 5, that is 300. Okay? So, our LCM here is 300, which is letter B. Okay? Nagets nyo? Nagets nyo ba? Ayan. Nagets ba nila? Ayan. Nagets ba nila? Next question tayo. Number 3. Number 3 question. Number 3 question. Ayan. Pa-comment daw kung nakuha nila. Okay, good. Maraming salamat. Ayan. So, next question tayo. Medyo late yung sa inyo ha. Medyo late yung dating ng ano ko. Ayan. Sorry. So, next question. Kung makikita nyo dito, negative 273 minus negative 127. Now, if you see this one, kung makita nyo dun sa video ko, dun sa page ko about, operations on signed numbers, makikita nyo kung paano to gagawin yung ganitong sistema, yung ganitong difference of two negative numbers. Okay? Difference of two negative numbers. Now, una natin gawin dyan, understood kasi na may 1 dito. Okay? Understood na may 1 dito. Now, if you're going to do this one, just copy negative 273, okay? No, negative 273, and then, eto siya, multiply natin yung negative 1 sa negative sa loob. Multiplying two negatives, okay? Multiplying two negatives, that's positive, or multiplying two positive, that's also positive, di ba? Like signs in multiplication and division, like signs is positive. Unlike signs, negative, right? Okay, so since this is negative 1 times negative 127, that is plus 127. Okay? Now, sa sinabi ko kanina na kung ano yung mas malaking number, so ano yung sagot dito? Anong sign ng sagot dito? It's negative. Bakit? Si 273 is mas malaki sa 127, and then ang sign ni 273 is negative. So yun yung sagot dyan. Now, next is subtract nyo na lang yan. Subtract nyo. 273, negative 273 plus 127. Bawasan nyo ng 127 si negative 223 kasi positive siya. Okay? So, in that case, ano yung sagot natin dyan? Ano yung sagot natin dyan? Okay, so negative 146. Okay? Negative 146. Ayan. Pa-comment nga kung nag-gets nila. Ayan. Mas nauna kasi ako, medyo delay yung dating ng video. Ayan, sa live. Ayan. Ayan. Next tayo. Ayan, good. Maraming salamat. Next tayo. Ayan, mas klaro na siya. Okay, so next tayo. Okay, ayan na. Screenshot nyo tong part na to. Pa-screenshot nyo tong part na to, and then, i-send nyo sa akin yung screenshot doon sa FB page ko para mabigyan ko kayo ng ano. Together with your email address, ha? Screenshot nyo tong part na to. Screenshot nyo ditong part na to. Screenshot po. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Hello, Ma'am Starjoy Galigaw. Ayan. Screenshot nyo, tapos isend yung screenshot na yan dun sa FB page ko with your email address para mabigyan ko kayo ng tawag neto? Reviewers. Ayun. So, good. Okay, so here, multiplying two negatives. Okay? Multiplying negative and positive numbers, that will give us what? Because they are unlike sign. Okay. Unlike sign siya. So, multiplying unlike signs, always negative, di ba? And then, multiply nyo si 75 and 25, that is 1,875. Okay, there we go. That's letter B. Okay? Unlike signs, multiplying dissimilar signs like negative and positive, or positive and this one is negative, the result will always give you negative. That's for multiplication, ha? Okay, pasensyahan niyo muna kung nag-ano ako sa basic muna. Mamaya medyo maduguan na 'to. Ayan. Next tayo. Ayan. Next tayo. Negative, again, division and multiplication, like signs, always positive. And like signs, always negative. Okay, so this one, remember, this one is negative and this one is negative. So ang sagot dyan must be positive. Okay, so 125 times 5, okay, multiply nyo lang yan. Divide, I'm sorry. Divide pala. 125 divided by 5, that gives us 25. Okay, so positive 25, and that is letter A. Okay, so ganun lang siya. Sana na maintindihan ng iba. Okay, so next question tayo. This is operations on signed numbers. Ayan. Next question tayo. Ayan. Okay, so in this case, lahat siya multiplication, so there is no problem. Multiply lang natin yan lahat. Okay, so this one, negative 4 times 3, that is negative 12, diba? Kasi unlike signs, negative and positive. And then, ito namang negative 12 ngayon, multiply natin dun sa negative 1. Since both are negatives, that gives us positive 12, diba? Okay, so positive 12. Now, this positive 12 times negative 2, that gives us, unlike signs, positive and negative, that gives us negative 24. And negative 24 times 2, again, this one, the last 2 is, positive, and it's negative 24. So multiplying that, that gives us negative 48. Okay, so that's negative 48. And the answer here is letter A. Okay? Ayan. Andyan pa ba? Ayan, kung siguro, ayan. Pag ganitong oras kasi talaga, medyo hirap yung ano natin dito. Andyan pa ba sila? Ayan, we have. Okay. Okay. So, ayun. I think I have to go back at 4 or 5 p.m. kasi sobrang hihina ng connection ngayon. Hindi ko alam sa Globe. Ayan. Ayan, sige. Balik tayo. Okay na. Sige, okay lang. Sige, continue tayo. Pag ganitong oras kasi sobrang hirap ng connections dito. Ayan, anyway. Ayan, continue tayo. Continue. Okay, so ito naman sa GCF tayo. GCF. Now, in the GCF, like with LCM, discuss natin. Ayan. Discuss ko yung GCF and LCM together dito sa question na to para mas maintindihan. Ayan. Okay. So, in this question, try natin ulit na anuhin siya. Okay, so to get for the GCF, okay, GCF between 250, and 170. Okay, there we go. So, sulat na lang natin siya sa ladder method. Okay, so that's 250 and 170. Okay, there we go. Now, ano yung common sa 250 and 170? Remember, both ends with 0, so that means yung common natin dyan is 10, di ba? So 250 divided by 10, that is 25. Okay, and then 170 divided by 10, that is 17. Okay, there you go. Now, if you can see, okay, since 10 is common to all inside this area, okay, 10 is common, bilugan natin yan. Ganito yung ginagawa ko pag nagturo ko ng GCF at saka LCM, okay? Bakit natin bilugan? Kasi that encircle means the factor is common to all inside. Okay? So there you go. Now, and then, our GCF, okay? Our GCF here is 10. Okay? How about our LCM? Kasi wala nang common si 25 at saka 17, multiply na lang natin. Okay? So, multiply na lang natin si lahat yung andyan sa baba at saka si common factor which is 10. Okay? So, 10 times 25, that is 10 times 25, that is 250 times 17, that is 4,250. Okay? So, 4,250. Ito yung LCM. LCM natin is lahat. Pero yung GCF is common. Okay? Ito lang yung common. So, since the question is GCF, ang sagot natin dito is letter B, which is 10. Okay? There you go. Next one. Next question tayo. Nakuha nyo na yung difference ng LCM at saka GCF. Ganon lang siya pag Ayan. Next tayo. Next tayo. Ito is a very common question. Okay? Na pinagtatalunan pa ng marami. Okay? So, ayan. Next question tayo. Next question. Okay. So, kung makikita ninyo, dyan, this type of question talks about the PEMDAS concept. Okay? PEMDAS concept. Okay. So, we have 6 minus, parenthesis, 7 minus 3, parenthesis, 3 times 3, 7 minus 3, parenthesis, 6 minus 8. Okay. So, wait for a while. Forget about that though. Okay, wait for a while. May lang ako saan. Okay. So, ano yung unang gawin natin dito sa question na to? Okay? So, ano yung pinakauna natin gagawin sa question na to? Parenthesis muna tayo. Kasi in PEMDAS, meron tayo sa PEMDAS na meron tayong this rule. Okay? So, PEMDAS. Hindi ako masyadong makapagsulat dito sa Okay? Now, PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, we have the exponents, and then followed by multiplication or division. Okay? Multiplication or division. And then addition or subtraction. Bakit dito sa multiplication and division and addition, subtraction, nag-or ako? Kasi whatever comes first, okay? Whatever comes first, like sa multiplication and division, whatever comes first, yun yung gawin nyo left to right. Okay? Huwag nyo unahin si multiplication kasi yun ang sabi ni PEMDAS. No. Kung ano yung naunang operation between multiplication and division, yun yung gagawin ninyo. Okay? Left to right. Left to right. Like, shall we say, 3 times 2 divided by 3. Okay? So, in this case, pwede nyong, tawag nito, multiply nyo 3 times 2, that is 6. Kasi left to right tayo, left to right. Multiplication and division, right? Left to right. So, 3 times 2, that is 6. And then, divided by 3, that is 2. Okay? So, yung sagot dyan. What if we have 6 divided by 3 times 2? I'm sorry. Times 2. Okay, so ano yung ganito? Again, left to right tayo. Nauna si division, so you have to perform this operation first. Okay, so 6 divided by 3, that's 2. And then, saka nyo multiply kay 2. And the answer here is 4. Okay, so ganun siya. Ganun si PEMDAS. Okay, so next tayo. Here in this case, mayroon tayo dito. Okay, dito muna sa loob tayo. So, parenthesis muna tayo. Okay, sa pinaka nasa loob na parenthesis. So, 6 minus 8, this one is negative 2. Okay? So, since this one is small, to be multiplied, the answer must be multiplied with 3, negative 3, that has, what's this? Negative 3 times negative 2, that gives us, in this case, that gives us 6, right? That becomes positive na. Positive. Diba? Positive. Kasi, negative 2 yung sagot dito, 6 minus 8, that's negative 2. Multiplying it with negative 3, that gives us positive kasi multiplying same signs, that gives us positive 6, okay? And then 7 plus 6 na siya. Bali, 7 plus 6, that is 13, okay? So, magiging, ito siya, 6 minus 13. And 6 minus 13, ano yung minus muna natin? So, that is 7. Ano yung sign ng ano yung sign ng bigger number? 13 ang bigger number natin. Ang sign niya is negative, so that's negative 7. Ito yung sagot natin in this case, okay? So, the answer here is letter A. Okay ba? Nakuha ba nila? Sinong nakakuha? Nakuha ba nila? Ayan. Next question tayo. Next question tayo. I think LCM, again, this one is LCM. It talks about LCM and there's no problem with LCM. Ayan. Oh, dito tayo sa may ano na to. Medyo complicated. I love this. Okay, so ito siya, medyo complicated. Wait lang, ayusin natin para makita ng lahat. Okay, good. Here. Next tayo. Okay, so maraming parentheses tayo dito. Again, PEMDAS. Okay? PEMDAS rule and the order of, what's that? The operations on signed numbers. Order of operations and operations of signed numbers. Now, kung makita nyo itong bracket, dalawang bracket, ito at saka mark natin ng X. Okay, itong isa, X. And then, ito naman is dash lang. Okay. So, unahin muna natin yung dash kasi sila yung nasa pinakaloob, di ba? So, in this case, we have 2 minus 3, we have negative 1. Okay? 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3, we have negative 1. And then here, 6 minus 4, we have positive 2. Okay? And after that, ko naman na bang question? Wait, divided by 4 pala to. Divided by 4 pala to. Okay, sorry na hindi na ko ano dito sa ano. Ito yung siyang question na to. Exponent siya dapat. Okay, anyway. Okay, so yung 5, remember itong 5 at saka 3, exponent sila and then divided by 4. Okay, so balik tayo doon. Itong 5 is exponent, and then itong 3 din is exponent and then this one is divided by 4. Okay, so after that, okay, so we have 25. So dito muna tayo. Exponent siya, magiging negative 1, and then exponent of 5 muna tayo. Okay? So that means we have to multiply negative 1 5 times. So it's negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. The answer there is still negative 1. Kasi 5 beses. Pag even siya, that means positive na. Okay? So, negative 1 times negative 1, that's positive 1. 2 ones na yun. Okay? So, ano nyo yan? Pag exponent natin, negative 1 pa rin yung sagot dito in this case. Okay? Now, and after that, this one, 2 raised to 3. Okay, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3. And so this one, 2 times 3, 2 times 2 times 2, right? Multiply natin si 2 3 times. So the answer here is 8. Okay, remember that. Okay, so in this case, we have 8 na. And then, remember, meron tayong 4 dyan. Okay, so 4. And then, divided by 4 here in this case. Okay. And then, okay na tayo dito. Magiging negative 1 na siya. Okay, in this case. And, yeah. So, ang anuhin naman natin is yung dito sa parenthesis na ito. Diba? Sa loob ng parenthesis na ito. Okay, so ayan. Sa loob ng parenthesis na yan. So, we have negative 1 times negative here. Understood na may negative 1 tayo dito. Multiply natin sa negative 1, magiging 5. Yung sa loob lang muna ha, 5 plus 1 na siya. Diba? Kasi itong negative 1, multiply mo sa negative 1, that gives us positive 1. And after that, this one, 4 times 8 muna tayo. Okay? 4 times 8 muna tayo here in this case. 4 times 8 kasi mauna si multiplication, di ba? Ay nauna si multiplication left to right. Bakit tayo dito nag-ano? Kasi may plus dito. So we have to perform first the operations in this stuff. Okay? So 4 times 8, 32. Okay? And then 4 times 8 is 32. And then 32 divided by 4, that is still 8. Okay? So, and this one is plus. Okay? So that becomes 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 8, that is 14. So, ang total dito is 14. Okay? And remember that after this, we have 3 here. So that's 3 times 14 na in this part, right? 3 times 14 kasi may 3 dito. Okay? Natapos na natin yung parenthesis sa loob. Okay? So 3 times 14, that is 42. Diba? Okay, so this is 42. And 42 times 6, 42 times 6, that is 252. Diba? So yung total dito, yung total in this step is 252. Tama ba? 252. And 252 plus 25 here, okay, 252 plus 25, ang total natin dyan is 277. Oh, see? All positive. So the answer here is letter D. Okay? No, sir. Ma'am Boy na Fiporol, parenthesis po unahin natin muna bago mag-exponent. Okay po? Parenthesis muna bago mag-exponent. That's PEMDAS po. Okay? So, ayan siya. 277 yung sagot dito. Clear ba? Clear? Ayan. Pa-screenshot ng part na to. Pa-screenshot ng part na to and idagdag nyo to dun sa isasend dun sa page, FB page para maanuhan natin. Okay? Pa-screenshot po ng part na to. Pa-screenshot in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan. So, next question tayo. Ito, I think hindi siya maano talaga dun sa kabila. Kasi may division sign. I'll try ha, I'll try. I-ano natin dito kung pwede siya. Kasi kung hindi, okay, so i-rewrite ko na lang. This is 3. Okay. Ayan. Okay, so this is divide, division. Okay, so this question, rewrite natin. Andyan na. Okay, so una natin gawin, PEMDAS ulit, parenthesis muna. Parenthesis, so walang problema sa parenthesis kasi simplified na yung sa loob ng mga parenthesis na yan. Okay, it only signifies na i-multiply na with the negative signs. Now, una natin gawin, ano ba, may parenthesis, sunod is exponent. So, may exponent tayo dito, so magiging 15 times exponent ng negative 3. Okay, negative 3 exponent 3, so that means negative 3 times negative 3, that's positive 9. Multiplied ulit ng negative 3, that is negative 27. Okay? And then, eto siya, understood na may 1 dito, multiply natin yan sa loob, so magiging positive 3 na siya. Okay? Positive 3. And then, oh yeah. And then after that, may ano pa siya, may division pa siya ng negative 3. Okay? So, una natin is nauna si multiplication dito. So, multiply muna natin siya. And after that, i-divide natin ng negative 3. And then, eto naman, may understood 1 here. So, multiplying that gives us positive 2. Okay? So, positive 2. And after that, we have here over negative 2. Next, sunod natin dyan, multiplication. May multiplication and division tayo. Ito siya multiplication, left to right. So, 15 times 27, that is 405. And since this one is negative, okay, negative 27, so negative 405. Okay? Negative 405. And so this one is like positive 3 divided by negative 3, that gives us negative 1. Okay? And then plus 2. Plus 2, which is here. Okay, so this one plus 2. Like that. And then divided by negative 2. Next, we have here negative 405 minus 1. That gives us negative 406. Plus 2, positive. So backward tayo ng dalawa. So magiging negative 404. 404 divided by negative 2. And so this, And so this one is both negatives dividing like signs, that gives us positive. So the answer here is positive 404 divided by 2. So that is 202. Okay, positive 202. Sorry, this is 0. Okay, so the answer here is letter C. Okay? Okay na? Ayan. Next tayo. Oh, yeah. This is just basic lang naman multiplication. Anyway. Okay, so next tayo. Maya, siguro ikat natin yung iba. Punta tayo sa word problems. Ayan. Next tayo. Let A is negative 2. And then, let A negative 2. B is equal to 3. C is equal to 5. And X is equal to negative 1. Find B minus X times C minus A times 2. Okay, so substitute lang natin yan. Magiging 3 minus X is negative 1. Okay, so that's negative 1. And then C, which is 5. And then minus A, which is negative, minus negative 2, our A. Okay? And then, times 2 pa. This is like that. Times 2. And after that, parenthesis muna tayo. So this one becomes positive, right? Multiplying negatives, that gives us positive. Understood, may 1 dito. So magiging 5 plus 2 na siya. Diba? 5 plus 2. And then, 5 plus 2. And then, after that, positive 7 na siya. Positive 7. Multiply natin siya dito sa negative 1 kasi si x dito is multiplication. So, negative, this one pala understood na may 1 dito. Okay, multiplying that gives us positive 1. Diba? So, magiging positive 1 na siya. So, magiging 3 plus 1 times 7. Ito siya is 7 and then times 2 ulit. Okay? So, 1 times 7 is 7 times 2, that is, tama ba ako? Or may squared? Squared! Sorry! Sorry. This is square pala. Sorry. This is squared, not 2. Okay. Square natin siya magiging 49 and 49 times 1, that is still 49. And then plus 3, so we have 52 pa lang. Sorry, square pala siya na nabago dito pag ano ko. Okay, so 52 which is letter B tayo. Okay? Sorry. Ayan. Next tayo. Squared pala siya dito. Okay, next tayo. Ito siya, operations lang. No problem na dyan. I think. Okay, so dito na lang tayo sa last order of operations na to. Ayan, last question sa order of operations. Ayan, magbabago na naman ako kasi may nawala. Ayan. So that's 70 minus 4. 70 minus 4 and then divided by 2 times 5 plus 7. Times 5 plus 7. Okay, so in this case, nauna si division. So si division muna tayo, okay? So magiging 70 and then negative 4 times 2, that is negative 8 times 5, that is minus 40 na. Okay? Kasi si negative 4 times, sorry. Ano ba yan? Divide pala to. Negative 4 divided by 2, that is negative 2. Times 5, that is negative 10. Ito, 10 lang. Sorry. And then, plus 7. And so, 70 minus 10. 70 minus 10, that is 60 plus 7, 67. So, that's letter C. Sorry. Naiba kasi nawawala yung sign pag nilagay ko siya dito sa sketchpad. Okay, so, ayun. Meron tayo ditong problem na. Basic problem lang naman to. Basic problem pa lang siya. Ayan. Okay, so basic. Of the TV sets sold yearly at the store are big screen sets. If the store sold 279 TV sets last year, how many were big screen sets? Okay. May nawala na naman dito. 4/9 siya, 4/9. This is 4 over 9. Okay? So, that is 4 over 9. Okay, so 4 over 9, multiplication lang siya. 4 over 9. Okay? 4 over 9 times 279. Okay? Now, multiplying this top, understood na may 1 siya ulit dito. Okay? Lahat ng whole numbers may denominator of 1. And multiply lang natin dito. 4 times 271. Okay. 4 times 271. Ganito, multiplying fraction sa numerator, denominator. Okay, so that is 1,000. 4 times 271, 1,084. And then divided by 9, of course, the answer here is 120.4. Wala dun sa sa choices. Anyway, sorry. Wait. Ay, hindi sa 271, 279. Oh my God. Ang hirap na maging matanda. 116. This is 116. 116 divided by 9, of course. So that is 124, okay? Divided by 9, so that's 124. I'm sorry. That's letter C.